Thanks.
I always hate how you say you ain't got a thing to show the world, but you have a beauty the eyes can hardly see. Your name is written in the book of the endless ages. The truth is uncertain, they say, but how can we know that he's written truth for all to see? That book has been written before the foundations of the world. How can you say it's all up to me? I have my own will, I have my destination, grounds for expulsion of your mind from my line of thought. Imagine if the world is as you see in your hand. You hold eternity. Do we live with our castles in the sand? Do we build our lives on experience, circumstance, euphoria and negligence? It's flatulence in the wind. I always did hate how you still say you ain't gonna sing